agite establishment hiyo.
This power will come through for us at about between 5 and 6 US cents per kilowatt hour versus what we're getting from Kenya Power, which is about 18-19 US cents per kilowatt hour. So the consequence really for us is that the power mix, the cost of power for us is going to be significantly reduced. And why this is important for us is that as we think about expansion, as we think about increasing our capacity, power cost becomes a critical component.
We've also invested in technologies that make us environmentally friendly, from investing in products that are carbon neutral. We've been transitioning from fossil fuels. You can see behind me we're investing in a solar PVT plant, and this is helping us transition from fossil fuels. So we're aiming to put out a product that is friendly in production, friendly to the environment during production, and also friendly in its use.